Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you one of the important things you need to take into consideration before you delete any apps on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to the particular apps that you would like to delete from your Android phone. Let's say, for instance, I want to delete this app, this photon app right here. What we need to do first is to make sure we click and hold down on the particular app, and this is going to pump up. Now, the next thing we want to do, instead of click on uninstall or remove, what we need to do is to simply click on app info. So when you click on app info, it's going to take you right here. First thing, before we can delete any apps completely on our Android phone and free up more space on our Android phone, we need to make sure that we clear the storage and cache from our Android phone. So I'm going to simply click on here, and we have all app sizes to be 400 and something megabytes, and data usage here is about 70 megabytes. Total is 488. Now we need to clear up the storage. This is the first thing. We need to clear up the storage. After clear up the storage, then we can go ahead and delete the apps completely on our phone. And by doing this, you are freeing up more space and you are uproot the apps totally from your Android phone. Now, for us to clear all this data on the phone about the app, what we need to do is to simply click on clear storage and deleting apps data. This app's data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from this device. Simply click on delete. Once you delete all the file data, next thing we want to do now is to simply click on back and back. Then we have to go back to the app again, just like here. I'm going to simply click on here again and click on here, and this is going to pump up. Now we can click on uninstall. I'm going to simply click on here to uninstall the app. And do you want to uninstall this app? We click on OK. It's as simple as that. So we have removed the app, and we remove the entire file of about the app that constitutes more storage space and consume a lot of storage space on our phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.